Hey Gemini, hey, welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome back, Gemini. If you are returning, always glad to have you. I'm Shauna. I'm yeah, I am Shauna. This is your highest good tarot. I had to brain fart, y'all. And we are some folks who are always elevating towards our highest selves, towards our highest potential, towards the divine, whichever applies to you. And you know what? Sometimes we forget what we're about to say. It happens. And today, Gemini, we are getting messages from your benevolent ancestors about what it is they want you to know before we go any further into this year. We are, if you're watching this in real time, about to approach Aquarius season in 2026. And so now you know. And if you are not seeing this in real time, this is what your benevolent ancestors want you to know right now before you go forward, because these readings are timeless. So we're going to get to it, Gemini. Keep in mind that this message is not for everybody, so take it as it resonates. What's the message from Gemini's benevolent ancestors? Okay, off the ball, out the gate. Maybe I just can't talk, y'all. We got a Five of Swords. We have the Nine of Pentacles. Ten of Wands. At the bottom of the deck here, we have the Star. Stara. Gemini, if you haven't started your healing journey, and now you're probably already on it for many of you, but if this is, the beginning of it, your benevolent ancestors want you to know that they see you and they're going to help you restore some things and bring peace and joy. Help you to fill your cup, to validate yourself. So outside validation is not required. It's not needed. Appreciate it, but not needed. And with this, you want me to stick with the deck. Behind the star, we have the Four of Swords here. And then the King of Cups. The King of Cups is somebody who, regardless of your biological sex or, um, your gender identity, is somebody that who is emotionally stable, um, but it's being paired with this Four of Swords here, which is kind of like my chill card, somebody who is pulling back. And so what I'm getting is that there is a romantic relationship, or at least a relationship with someone who you held dear, um, that you need to heal from, that there's some things that need restoration. Confidence, that validation, and the outside validation is like really strong. With the Five of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Ten of Wands, this person, whoever that King of Cups energy is, they didn't just pull back their energy. They didn't just kind of maybe even ghost you, but they did you dirty. They did you dirty. And for some of you, um, you know, now you are probably single if this was a romantic relationship, but for many of you, this this situation that you were in with this person, they didn't just do you dirty emotionally, but there's I'm feeling like some finances got missing too. A lot of you were bamboozled, led astray, and run amok, and you were left to carry the load, whatever that load is. So what is it that the benevolent ancestors want Gemini to know about the situation? Knight of Cups, Five of Cups, Ace of Cups. Wow. It's nothing but cups on this board. Nothing but cups on this table. It's not you. You've done nothing wrong. So even though you probably are in a space that is, for some of you, it may even be in have some financial insecurity involved, but for most of you, a lot of you, this is more about the insecurity, emotional insecurity, uh how they left you. Before you even got involved with this person, you may have been a pretty secure person, or maybe not. But the way, the manner in which they they tried to leave a rubble or shell of Gemini. But what your folks want you to know, Gemini, is that nah, don't count yourself out. Don't count yourself out. We're here. We're here. And as long as you still have a cup to fill up, is what we gonna do until you are in overflow. And we gonna keep doing it. We gonna keep it going. And you gonna help us do it. However, on the other side of this pain, and while you're in this pain, um, we need you to help us help you, because we have nothing but love come for you. This is your benevolent ancestors, and they know and understand that you want the love of somebody who respects you, who likes you, who not only that, they meet you where you are. They are on your level. You are both equally yoked, and you, they don't want anything from you but you. You don't have to change yourself. You don't have to dress a certain way. You don't have to talk a certain way. So what your ancestors, your benevolent ancestors, are going to help help you with is rebuilding Gemini. They're going to bring this cup to you so you can bring it to yourself. Show you how to love on yourself first, so when this other person, the person who is supposed to be in your life, comes, your person, Gemini, they see how they're supposed to love you. they continue to keep your cup in overflow because they pour into you. A fulfilling relationship, a relationship of reciprocity, mutual respect, and divine love. But first, you show that all those things you show to yourself. Y'all want to go into the advice? Yes. We're going on to the advice, Gemini. All right. Advice for Libra, please. Did I just call you Gemini? I apologize. This is Gemini. Did I just call you Libra? Advice for Libra. I'm like, wait, this isn't the first time I messed up my words with Gemini. I apologize, Gemini. Charge it to my head and not my heart. All right. But while you're here, go ahead, like, share, subscribe. And personal readings are available. Just send me an email and I'll let you know what the options are, including getting a personal and anonymous reading during the live that we have on Tuesdays, where we identify you with a number as opposed to your handle or your name. So, advice, we have the Empress and we have Justice. Ooh, two majors. Oh, they about to shift a lot of shit in your life, Libra. What the fuck? Keep calling you Gemini. I'm gonna get it right, Gemini. Because I'm like, I just did the Libra reading. That's why I'm so stuck right now. I apologize. Because I'm like, wait a minute. Gemini. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. At the bottom of the deck, healing. Yeah, I feel like this isn't the first time we saw the star. Healing. We saw it in this deck. Completely different deck. We're talking about healing. We're talking again about fulfillment. We're talking about renewal, overflow, hope, inspiration, all of those things. That's where they're guiding you. Not only that, but into a space of where you know, Gemini, that you are whole. The Empress is somebody who is definitely whole. She recognizes that she is a whole ass person, does not need anybody to complete her, definitely has people around her to compliment her. The Emperor compliments her, but does not complete her because she's whole as she is. She lacks for nothing. And this is outside of your gender identity, Gemini, outside of your biological sex. So recognize that you are whole. And even though you may not feel it right now, it may be one of those instances for a while, you kind of have to fake it until you start to believe it. It's a mantra that you have to keep saying and reminding yourself that I am whole, I'm worthy, I'm worth it, I'm right where I'm supposed to be. Because what is happening here with Justice, that King of Cups, whoever that was to you, Gemini, they're going to be held accountable. Justice is coming. But that's not something you need to concern yourself about. You have to concern yourself about renewal, rebuilding, because we got three. I said two, but there are three majors surrounding you in this shift and this journey. Your life is about to be changed. The way you see yourself and how you interact with others, especially when you're about to get into a romantic relationship, It's going to be one of honesty, of clarity, one that you will be able to communicate your boundaries and stand 10 toes down on it. And nobody will be able to cross them. But you're whole. You're whole. And type it in the chat. Say it in the morning. Say it at night before you go to sleep. I am whole. I am worthy. I am worth it. I'm right where I'm supposed to be in my journey. And you say it until you know it's first nature. But they're going to show you that. They're guiding you into that. They're guiding you and helping you heal and reclaim your power, reclaim that which you may have given away, reclaim all of that. But you have to recognize your wholeness and the abundance around you that surrounds you, not even just financial abundance, the abundance of wisdom and love, because they love you so much. What else? Final message here for Gemini. I apologize, Gemini, when I was calling you Libra like 80,000 times. Let's see. Mm. Now, Libra got the same card. It's interesting. Listen more, talk less. Everybody doesn't need to know everything about you, Gemini, especially when they haven't earned the right to know those things. Listen more, talk less. What's that saying? You were given two ears and one mouth. Pay attention. Don't be as revealing. Not only that, but listen to your benevolent ancestors. Listen to your spirit team. They'll let you know. Like, hold up. That's not the one you want to talk to like that. Like, just keep it friendly. Hello, goodbye. keep it keep it high level, as they say in business. Keep it high level. What else for Gemini, please? What else for Gemini from their benevolent ancestors? What else for Gemini? Yeah, because everybody doesn't deserve your trust. For some of you may feel like you've been cursed or hexed. Well, you haven't been cursed or hexed. The blockage is coming from you. Listen. Listen more. Listen to your folks. If you need a personal reading to find out how this blockage is coming or what the blockage is, because you may be thinking this blockage is in your love life, and it may have to do with spilling too much and letting people in too quick, letting down, the not the fortress, but letting them know stuff about you that they haven't earned. Not to be so trusting, because not everybody is your friend. Not everybody loves you the way you love them. Yeah. Is that it? That's it. That's all, Gemini. And when you said all you know, it's time to go. Bye.